Good morning. Just pretty much missed the sunrise. I don't see the sunrise usually because I wake up too late, but this morning we're getting up early and we're about to leave for Pattaya. So we're going to drive from our condo here in Bangkok and we're going to go to Pattaya, which should be about 2.5 hours or maybe a 3 hours drive. We've never actually bought a car since we've been here in Thailand. We figured that it's much easier to get around here using a motorcycle or even public transportation like the subway system or the SkyTrain system. So therefore, when we do go away the way we are now today, then we simply rent a car. We usually use Hertz car rental, and it's quite convenient because they drop the car off here at our condo and they also come and pick it up again when we are done with it, as long as you rent a car for more than 3 days, which we always do. So that's very convenient. I just pulled the car around into the parking area so that we can load up the car with our bags before we leave. That's it, and we are ready. Everything but the kitchen sink. Almost ready. Well, that really is some way to start the trip. The rain just started coming down like really hard. I hope it's not like this all the way to Pattaya. Open car. You need this for the tollway, so you collect this at the beginning of the tollway, and then when you get off the tollway, then you hand this back and you got to pay for your trip. Open car. Okay, I just went the wrong way. I went to the Easy Pass one where I suppose you have like that electronic device. So I had to force some cars to reverse and allow me to go out and come back the right way. That was embarrassing. Sorry, Cabb. Chào đại Cabb. 65. Open Cabb. 65 baht. Open Cabb. Yeah, so this time at least I was able to spot the easy pass lanes and I was able to go down the correct lane and not have to backtrack like I did previously. I stopped for some food because I don't usually eat breakfast, but for some reason this morning I'm really hungry. The urinals at these roadside garages are always outside. It's not inside a building. Maybe some croissants. And something sweet. I think I have enough food here. That's not bad. For all of this food, it's only 220 Thai baht. I really need this. Sawadee krap. Oh, thank you. 50 นะครับ ขอบคุณครับ Bye bye. So this one was 50 baht. So we paid 35, 65 and 50 baht. So 150 baht from Bangkok to our destination just beyond Pattaya. And we have arrived. If I haven't told you yet, we're staying at an Airbnb, so we're just waiting for the owner to arrive. He's on his way. Super nice person. He gave us some really useful information as we approached the house about a road closure, and if it was not for that information, we would have had to make such a detour, let alone all of the confusion that would have cost us. Okay, so the owner just arrived. Let's see what this gentleman has to say. So far I'm quite impressed because he seems very friendly, so I think it's going to be quite a helpful person. Seems like that kind of person that will give you a lot of information. Good morning, hi, how are you? We've already settled in nicely here, but I'll give you a tour of this house a bit later. For now, we're going to make a quick run to the store for some supplies. We just came across this really cool temple structure. Never seen one like this before. I'm gonna send the drone up quickly and get a better shot. I decided to leave my Mavic 2 zoom at home and rather play with the Mini this time. It really is a Mini, isn't it? It's so small. Well, that was a nice little surprise. This is Wat Thep Prasart, and yeah, very beautiful building this over here. I really like it. We are stopping at Makro for some shopping. It's nice and cool in here. And I really like this Makro. There's so many nice things in here. I only got as far as the bread section, and there's some nice breads here. We got some French loaf. If you don't know durian, the smelly fruit, this is it over here. I've just been told I'm not allowed to take a photo inside Makro, so let me put my camera away. Okay, we're done shopping at Makro. We were told to come here because this is apparently the only place where you can get fire starters, but we got a whole bunch of stuff, including a whole box of beer. That should last us for a while. Now we need to go to the next supermarket, which is right next to us over there, Big C, for some more items. Now I'm at Big C, which is right next door to Makro. This is like a general kind of supermarket. We were not able to find absolutely everything that we needed at Makro, so the rest of the goodies we should be able to find right here. Besides the supermarket, there are also a couple of restaurants in this building over here. They definitely have a lot of stuff here, but if it's meat you want, then I suggest going to Makro because they have a wide variety of meat over here. I mean over there. Over here is quite a small selection, but like I said, there are many other things over here that we couldn't find at Makro. Okay, it's going well. We got just about everything on our shopping list. We need some charcoal for the barbecue. I'll Sam Tom Cup. Now I must try and figure out how to say matches in Thai. Matchai. Matches. ไม่มี ไม่มี ไม่ขีด Okay. This one. Yeah, oh. ดีไหม Oh. Okay. เท่าไหร่ครับ 20. Okay. Well, this is good. This is even better than matches. ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณมากครับ บ๊ายบายครับ
ไม่เอาแอลกอฮอล์เหรอที่จุดไฟ
นี่เลยครับ Oh, that was nice of her. She even carried it to the car for me, and she even asked me if I don't want any alcohol. That was super nice. I decided I'm going to show you this house tomorrow rather, because I first want to see what's what. But for now, we're having a barbecue. The kitchen is quite hot, there's not much ventilation in there. So I asked the owner if he by any chance has a floor fan that we could use. He actually went out and bought one for us.